Hey there, welcome back to Income Nomad. Today I've got something super exciting for you, an awesome trading indicator that can seriously level up your game on TradingView. It's called the CM Donchian Channel version 3, and whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, this tool can help you build a rock-solid trading strategy. It's perfect for spotting those crucial entry and exit points by showing the highest high and lowest low over a specific time frame. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up, tweak the settings, and start using it like a pro. Plus, I've got another powerful indicator that will help you spot trends with laser precision, so stick around for that. And hey, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to unlock hundreds of killer trading strategies that'll help you crush the market. All right, let's dive in. First up, head over to TradingView and pick a chart, stocks, crypto, whatever you want to analyze. At the top of the platform, hit the indicators button and search for CM Donchian Channel V3. Once it pops up, click it and boom. You'll see it overlaid right on your chart. But we're not done yet. Let's fine tune it for maximum effectiveness. Click on the gear icon next to the indicator's name to access the settings. Here's what you need to do in the input section: disable the show arrow options. Trust me, you don't need that clutter. Keep the bar colors and midline options enabled because they are super important for your analysis. The midline is key. It acts as a reference point for potential trades. When the price is above the midline, that's usually a bullish signal, and when it's below, that's bearish. To make it more visible, adjust the midline's thickness. This will give you a clear visual cue for when it's time to enter or exit a trade. So how do we trade using this midline? When the price breaks above it, that's your signal to go long, anticipating the price will continue to rise. When it breaks below the midline, you're looking at a potential short trade. This is where you start making smarter, quicker decisions based on trend direction. But here's the thing: you should never rely on one indicator alone. The CM Donchian Channel V3 is a fantastic tool, but pairing it with other indicators will help confirm signals and avoid false ones. Before I introduce the next indicator that will take this strategy to the next level, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on what's coming next. All right, now that we've got the Donchian channel working, let's bring in the trend rib indicator. This bad boy is a trend following powerhouse that'll help you spot market trends like a pro. And let's tweak it for our strategy. The default settings use a 20 period weighted moving average, but for long-term trends, we'll change that to 200. Head over to the input section and make that adjustment. For the style section, feel free to play with the colors and thickness to make the trend ribbon pop on your chart. A thick, clear ribbon will make spotting trends way easier. Using the trend ribbon is super straightforward. When the ribbon is green and the price candles are above it, the market's in an uptrend. That's your signal to look for buying opportunities. On the flip side, if the ribbon is red and the candles are below it, you're in a downtrend, meaning it might be time to think about shorting. If the ribbon's looking thin, no matter if it's green or red, the market is likely consolidating or moving sideways. This is a good time to hold off on any trades until a clear trend emerges, because sideways markets can be super unpredictable. Here's how to put this strategy into action. First, wait for a bullish breakout of the midline on the CM Donchian channel. This shows that the price is gaining upward momentum. But don't jump the gun, confirm that the trend ribbon is green and the price candles are still above it. When both indicators align, you've got the green light for a long trade. Set your stop loss below the most recent swing low and aim for a 1.5 risk to reward ratio on your take profit level. Simple and effective. And hey, if you're sticking around, I've got something even cooler coming up. Later in the video, I'll show you the backtesting results for this strategy, and trust me, the numbers are impressive. Plus a way to make way more than just a 1.5 risk reward ratio. Now, if you're looking for a short trade, watch for the price to break below the midline on the CM Donchian channel. Again, confirm that the trend ribbon is red and the candles are below it before jumping in. Once ready, set your stop loss just above the most recent swing high and aim for that same 1.5x risk to reward ratio. Let's see just a part of 100 back and forth testing followed by the results. Remember, not every signal is golden, especially in a sideways market. Always backtest and forward test your strategy under different conditions so you're fully prepared when trading with real money. Here are the results, and I don't know what else would you expect from a strategy. That's it for today's breakdown. And before you go, if you're hungry for more killer strategies, check out the videos on the screen now. The top one dives deep into Fibonacci levels with my customizations to push your profit factor to its limit. And the bottom left will show you how to turn this strategy into a bot with alerts. Don't miss the bottom right where I share a viral trading strategy that's blowing up right now. Thanks for watching, and as always, may the charts be in your favor. See you in the next video.